What is construction estimating software? Construction estimating software improves process standardization, accuracy, and speed when calculating material and labor costs to help contractors create detailed, professional proposals. Common features of construction estimating software include visual assemblies, which display a graphical view of a build to visualize which portion of the project you're estimating. Comprehensive databases store helpful information to reference when creating an estimate, such as material and labor costs, pre-built templates for standard jobs, and save past projects. Proposal generation creates an accurate and professional-looking bid proposal based on your estimates. Cost prediction and analysis uses calculations from your project takeoff to automate cost estimates, model bid revisions for when changes happen, and create cost breakdown reports to improve interpretation. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.